The Dangers of PCP by Adam Silva. PCP is an abbreviation for phencyclidine, which was introduced in the 1950s as a surgical anesthetic and later discontinued due to its high risk for addiction. Angel dust is the most common street name for PCP. It can be smoked, snorted, injected, and swallowed depending on the form it comes in. PCP falls under the classification of hallucinogens, but is more specifically considered a dissociative drug because it can cause feelings of detachment from reality. People who use dissociative drugs like PCP report a feeling of floating as if they are disconnected from their bodies. In 2021, an estimated 183,000 Americans ages 12 and older used PCP. As of 2023, both Canada and the United States have stopped tracking PCP due to its low prevalence. Vice research also concluded that the official figures of PCP use underestimate its true prevalence because it is a drug largely used by a socially excluded population living off the radar.
What are signs of angel dust addiction? Really, signs of angel dust addiction are similar to that of every other drug. Being unable to stop using angel dust when it's unsafe to do so. Although in angel dust case, that's literally all the time. Continuing angel dust use, even after experiencing negative outcomes, and so on. Erratic behavior, paranoia, and violent outbursts are all signs of potential angel dust addiction. It's worth pointing out that angel dust is often combined with cannabis. So if you see these behaviors in somebody who's usually a quiet cannabis smoker, something's up. What is withdrawal from angel dust like? Withdrawal from angel dust starts very quickly. In some cases, it can start around 8 hours after the drug was last used. In general, a person withdrawing from angel dust will feel fear, paranoia, anxiety, and restlessness. Physical symptoms include muscle twitching, headache, digestive issues, and sweating. More severe cases involve hallucinations and seizures. Also, some symptoms of angel dust withdrawal can last for months. Depression, suicidal ideation, sleep and mood disorders, memory loss, and more can be persistent withdrawal symptoms. How long does angel dust stay in your system? Angel dust acts fast. Most people feel its effects around half hour after using it, and the high can last a while too. Usually 6 hours is how long the angel dust effects last, but some people can feel it for up to 2 days after.
As stated in the video, the long-term side effects of PCP use are very dangerous. Depression, mild to severe, and psychosis, hallucination, and delusions being the main ones. Also mentioned in the video, withdrawal symptoms can last for months and usually include feelings of extreme anxiety, nausea, tremors, seizures, and hallucination. PCP is notorious for its tendency to trigger wild and extreme behavior in people who use it. This behavior is associated with an increased risk of injury and self-harm because of the drug's anesthetic and mind-altering properties. Chronic use of PCP can lead to memory loss, cognitive impairment, and other mental health issues. It can also cause damage to the heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys, and can lead to seizures, coma, and even death. If you or someone you know is struggling with PCP addiction, it is important to seek help as soon as possible. Treating PCP addiction includes a combination of behavioral therapy, mutual support groups, and psychoeducation. There are currently no medications approved to treat PCP addiction. There are many resources available, including addiction treatment centers, support groups, and counseling services. Sources: